Hi there, students. Cloud Cuckoo Land. Okay, we use Cloud Cuckoo Land to say that somebody is living in a totally unrealistic fantasy world. Their ideas are totally fantastic, totally weird, and they're completely impractical. Cloud Cuckoo Land is a non-existent place of perfection. You are living in Cloud Cuckoo Land if you think he's going to give you the money to buy a new car. Okay, this phrase, Cloud Cuckoo Land, comes from a play by Aristophanes, a Greek writer from 400 BC. So this phrase is 2,500 years old. It comes from his play called The Birds, where there is a place called Nepholokokugia, which is a city that the birds are going to create in the sky to control all conversation or all communication between men and the gods. So Nepholokokugia is totally impractical, unrealistic and non-existent. Nephilo, the clouds, Kokugi, talking about the cuckoo, and Ia, I guess, is the country. So, Cloud Cuckoo Land, a place where everything is perfect and there are none of the nasty realities of real life. Apparently, Mrs. Thatcher used this phrase in the 1980s when she was asked if the ANC, the African National Congress, might be able to overthrow the South African government. And I think she said anybody that thinks the ANC will run South Africa is living in a cloud cuckoo land. Well, eventually it did happen. Nelson Mandela became president. Okay, so Nepholokokugia, ideas that are just totally ridiculous. They're not practical. Anybody who believes an advertisement that says they can learn English in 7 days is living in Cloud Cuckoo Land. Anybody who claims that our climate is not being affected by global warming is living in a cloud cuckoo land. So now you're going to ask, what about formality? Could you use this in an informal conversation? I think probably not. I'd probably give it something like a 7.5 in formality. In a conversation in the pub, in utopia, an unreal world. But use this in a really formal document. It shows that you have knowledge of classical literature, from the Greeks. Okay, so Cloud Cuckoo Land, to live in Cloud Cuckoo Land, to be in Cloud Cuckoo Land, to have ideas or believe things that are totally impractical and just not going to happen. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cloud Cuckoo Land, Nepholokokugia.